This is Dr. Vijay Battina. I'm a physiotherapist here working in Citizen Hospitals. He is Mr. Vijay Kumar. He is my patient. He has just came 6 months ago to me the complainings of both knee pains where he couldn't walk without any support. So he has visited his orthopedician, and the orthopedician was in Chennai. He has referred, or he advised him to see a physiotherapist as soon as possible so that he can strengthen his knee joint and he can get the pain down. So he has visited us 6 months ago with severe knee joint pain with a lot of discomfort while walking. So we have trained him with quadriceps exercises and with IFTs and ultrasounds. With that he could able to walk without support, and he could walk without limping, and now he could resume to his job, and is now participating in his regular activities without any dependency. So now he will be explaining you that he will be sharing his experience with us.
Hello, Namaste. I am Vijay Kumar. Incidentally, actually, I moved out from Chennai to Hyderabad recently, some 3 years back. I am aged 67. So quite long time I have been hale and healthy. Of late, I developed suddenly a pain, knee pain. Started with calf muscle. And then I happened to visit some doctors, a few doctors here and there. I was not very comfortable of their diagnosis. Then incidentally, since I am staying very close by Citizen Hospital in Aparna Cyber Commune, when I came to Chennai first, I came here, registered myself with entire family members with Citizen Hospital. And for past 3 years I have been coming here. So after all these messages have come to me from different doctors about the knee problem, knee pain and their diagnosis, then they suggested certain treatments which may not be useful to me at this age. Then I thought, why can't I approach our Citizen Hospital doctors? Incidentally, when I met the general physician, Mr. Sandeep Kanta, he referred there is a physiotherapist here by name Mr. Vijay Battina. So I was limping, and then I came to the next block looking for Mr. Vijay Battina, and fortunately he was there, and he understood what is my problem perhaps better than me. What I gained by coming here is the amount of confidence this senior has inculcated in me about the subject. First, he said, don't fear about the problem. See, in the process, I even fly to Chennai and met one doctor, very senior doctor by name Dr. Isaac Newton. He is a very senior ortho person. Then he suggested, after seeing the X-ray everything, certain exercises. He said, you have to do these exercises for 3 months continuously and you will be mostly alright. Then I am not residing in Chennai, I have come back to Hyderabad. So when I was in dilemma, then I came here incidentally, met Dr. Vijay Battina. I explained him everything. I also told him that I had been to Chennai. He listened to that with lot of patience. Then he started his treatment. As he said, he has given me treatment for about 1 week or 10 days, more than 10 days, with the different instruments. Then when I came here, almost I have to come with the support. Finally, I myself am surprised that the exercises what Dr. Vijay Battina has suggested me, I did them very methodically at home, and then I am able to move around now without anybody's help. Of course, I have knee pads now. What is that called? Knee pad?
Kneecaps.
Kneecaps. Then from here I am taking a bus journey up to Himayat Nagar. Moving about 30 kilometers up and 30 kilometers down, going to my office. Still I am working, and I am able to come back. And no medicines, absolutely all the medicines are stopped, no painkillers. First, what I understood from Dr. Vijay Bhatna is, stop all your painkillers. They are only temporary subjects. They will not give you relief permanently. Do the exercise, do this exercise, do this cycling, and weightlifting with the leg, which is a problematic leg. And then that I started doing. Then walking. He suggested how I should wear a shoe. All these subjects, for a child, even perhaps father would not have told. That much of care he has taken. I am really thankful to him. And the hospital name is Citizens Hospital. Why don't you call it a Senior Citizens Hospital? That's more. We are really happy. But this type of hospital has come out in Hyderabad, that too, with so much of doctors with so much of dedication to their work. I understand here they don't frighten the patient. They give more comfort. They give more support by their soothing words. This is what is exactly required. I have given this message to my near and dear in the colony, and few people, they also came, met Dr. Vijay, and they were also happy the way in which they have been received. What more I can say? I am happy, thankful to
Thank you
Citizen
very much.
Hospital, Dr. Vijay.
Okay.
I started doing this particular exercise
a lateral shot.
as suggested by Dr. Vijay. Initially, for more than 1 month, if I remember it right, I could not move my feet more than this level.
Okay.
Incidentally, when I am doing this for about 15 minutes or 20 minutes, the doctor was present himself and he used to encourage me. Now today I am able to. See, when I have the pain, the pain will come. One pain is there, but I am able to manage with the subject. When I do this particular exercise, I feel more comfortable. There is some strength has come to this leg.
How much with this thing
Hold on.
we cannot show. What we can do is without this thing, I'll show what is his range. Then with this thing he can lift. I'll tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Sir, we couldn't shot jargon. Okay. Earlier you can able to lift up to this, and then now ఇప్పుడు దీని వెనకాల పెట్టి you can lift up to complete అని చెప్తాం. That will be easy. With the weight you are able to lift కదా. That is a point.
Okay, now.
Yeah. Initially his range is not more than this angle, but now he could lift 1 kg weight freely with his leg like this, and he can hold a leg with 1 kg weight say about 3 to 4 minutes without having much trouble in his leg. So that says his quadriceps muscle has gained its strength and will really help him to walk and move and do his regular activities, or can go to his job and come and take public transport, that kind of things.
Of course, I was cautious when I moved.
So initially, as I told you, he has come with knee joint.
Hold on.
Because you should be seeing video covering his leg range of motion also. Initially, he, as I told earlier, he's also having knee joint range restriction. Now he could do cycling actively without much pain. So really exercise and quadriceps exercise, really cycling has improved his knee range of motion also.
Suggested by doctor, I even purchased one cycle. I do that half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening.
That will be helpful. You had as well.
Situation.
Definitely, what message is See, if there is a
Personally.
symptom like this, normally people, they rush to the ortho surgeon or ortho hospital or something like that. Before that, what I feel is, they should consult their general physician, take his advice, then further go to a person like Dr. Vijay, profession, physiotherapist. The physiotherapist will be able to give more confidence. He will say, this is the weak point, you do this, you do that. Even after the physiotherapy doesn't work, then people should go to the... Otherwise, people, they just like that, seeing the advertisements, they rush to the hospitals. They don't, they lose the chance of getting the right message. Or what. I don't say whether right treatment or not. Anyway, the treatment is there. Finally, after the treatment happens, the patient is put to the physiotherapist. Why not that happens before going to the... Taking an advice from the physiotherapist is always better. And here also we have to choose the right type of physiotherapist. There are so many, umpteen number of boards we see when we go on the roadside, physiotherapist. It's not so. A Citizen Hospital,
Yeah.
I'm telling, I'm happy the way in which the doctors are receiving their patients. They are giving the right type of advices. I find this is not absolutely a commercial institute. I don't think so. It is required, but not 100% commercial. They do treat, they do give good advices. More than everything is they don't frighten their patient. This is where in Citizen Hospital people will get the right message from the right doctor. Physio club or something, and they should be any time coming doing this exercise. That will give more strength.
Tough night, it's a big thing, but it's really great thing. If you can do this,
We are not highlighting this subject at all. See, when there is my mother, she was admitted here in Citizen Hospital for a lung problem or whatever it is. Now she is not there with me, of age problem. Then there is some physio person came in the morning. They were tapping and those things. But that is not the end of it.
Yeah.
Not for the sake of doing, patient doesn't understand, somebody is coming, somebody is doing, they don't understand. But this should be highlighted. As there is a separate department, there is an eye, Shankar Netralaya. I like that. This area should have, people coming and going with lot of confidence.